In the previous class, we have learned information processing. Children, we have completed term 2 portions. We are going to revise multiplication tables and multiplication sums. Let us learn multiplication table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Children, now we can learn multiplication table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Children, can you repeat with me? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Children, now we can learn multiplication table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Children, can you repeat once again? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Children, now we can learn 6th multiplication table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Children, can you repeat once again? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Now we can learn 7th multiplication table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Children, can you repeat once again? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Children, now we can learn 8th multiplication table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Children, can you repeat once again? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Children, now we can learn 9th multiplication table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Children, can you repeat once again? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Now we can learn multiplication table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. Children, can you repeat once again? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100.
Multiplication by regrouping. This method is used for multiplying a two-digit number. Let us consider the following multiplication: 34 by 7. We can regroup 34 into 3 tens and 4 ones. Hence, 34 can be written as 30 plus 4. 34 into 7 can be written as 30 plus 4 into 7. Multiply 7 with tens, 30 into 7, plus multiply 7 with ones, 4 into 7. 37s are 210, plus 4 sevens are 28. Hence, 34 into 7 is equal to 238. Let us see this example. Multiply 15 into 3. Regroup 15 as 1 10 and 5 ones. Fifteen into 3. That is 3 times 15. To multiply 15 by 3, we are adding 15 3 times and we get in ones place 15 ones. That is 4 tens plus 5 ones. So 30 plus 15 is equal to 40 plus 5. 15 threes are 45.
Children, now we can do multiplication by using regrouping method. Here 14 into 2, that is 2 times 14. We want to add 2 times 14. Look at here. How many beats are here? 10 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 tens plus 4 ones plus 4 ones. Totally 14. So we want to add 14 plus 14. 14 plus 14. First we can add tens, then ones. So how many tens are here? 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Here how many ones are there? 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So totally 20 plus 8 is 28. So 14 added 2 times we will get 28. Now we can do regrouping method. 14 into 2 equal to. First we can regroup 14. 1 tens. 1 tens plus 4 ones into 2. Into 2. 1 tens are 10. 10 plus 4 into 2. First we can multiply 10 into 2. 10 into 2 plus 4 into 2. 10 into 2 plus 4 into 2. So 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20 plus 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. So 20 plus 8 equal to 28. 14 into 2 equal to 1 tens plus 4 ones into 2. After that 1 tens are 10 plus 4 ones equal to 4 into 2. So multiply tens. 10 into 2 plus 4 into 2. 2 tens are 20. 4 twos are 8. 20 plus 8 equal to 28. So answer 14 into 2 equal to 28. Now we got the answer. 14 into 2 equal to 28. 20 plus 8, 28. Next question, 26 into 5. First, we can take and write the question. 26 into 5. First, we have to regroup the 26. So, 20 plus 6 into 5. 20 plus 6 into 5. First, what we have to do? We have to multiply the tens. So, 20 into 5 plus 6 into 5. 20 into 5 plus 6 into 5. We have to multiply 0 5s are. 0 5s are how much? 0 5s are 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. After that we have to add 100 plus 30. 100 plus 30 equal to 130. So answer 26 into 5 equal to 130. Next question, 352 into 3. So first we have to write the expanded form of these three digits. So ones, tens, hundreds. What we have to do? 300 plus 50 plus 2 into 3. First we have to expand these three digit numbers. 300 plus 50 plus 2 equal to 300 into 3 plus 50 into 3 plus 2 into 3. First we can multiply 300 into 3. So 0 3s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 plus 0 3s are 0, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. After that we can add 900 plus 150 plus 6. 6, 5, 10. So answer 1056. Answer 352 into 3 equal to 1056. First we have to regroup the 3-digit number. 300 plus 50 plus 2 into 3. After that we have to take and multiply 300 into 3, 50 into 3, 2 into 3. 300 into 3 is 900, 50 into 3 is 150, 2 into 3 is 6. We have to add 900 plus 150 plus 6. So we will get 1056. So answer 352 into 3 equal to 1056.
Multiplication using standard algorithm. Let us multiply using multiplication table. 23 by 3. Step 1. Multiply ones. We will multiply the ones place number with 3. So 3 3s are 9. Write the product in the ones place. Step 2. Multiply tens. Multiply 3 with tens. So 3 2s are 6. Write the product in tens place. Hence 23 into 3 is equal to 69.
Children, now we can learn multiplication using standard algorithm. Find the product using standard algorithm. 21 into 4. Step 1. First we have to take and write multiplicand in ones and tens place. 1 in ones place, 2 in tens place. Then put multiplication symbol. Then take and write the multiplier in ones place. After that, draw the line. First multiply ones. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. So first we can write 4. Then step 2, multiply the tens place. Step 2, same way, ones, tens, 21 into 4. We have already multiplied the ones, so 4 ones are 4. Step 2, we have to multiply the tens place. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. So the product is equal to 21 into 4 equal to 84. 21 into 4 equal to 84. First we have to take and write the multiplicand in ones place and tens place. Step 1, multiply the ones. Step 2, multiply the tens. So the product is 21 into 4 equal to 84. Children, next question, 65 into 5. So first we have to write ones, tens, leave one finger gap for carryover, 5 in ones place, 6 in tens place, into multiplier is 5. Then step 1, multiply the ones. Step 1, multiply the ones. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So 5 have to write in ones place. 5 have to write in ones place. 2 carryover. 2 carryover. Next, step 2, multiply tens. Step 2, multiply the tens. So we have to write ones, tens, 65 into 5. So already we have multiplying. 5 5s are 25, carry over 2. So next step we have to multiply the tens. 6 5s are 30. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So 30 we have to add the carryover 2 also. 30 plus 2, 32. So 3 we have to write in hundreds place. 3 we have to write in hundreds. The product is equal to 65 into 5 equal to 325. Children, next question, 14 into 3. 14 into 3. So first you have to write ones, tens. After that, leave one finger gap. Then write 4 in ones place, 1 in tens place, into 3. So first you have to multiply by ones. So 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 2 we can write ones place. 1 we can write carry over in tens place. 2 we can write ones place. 1 we can write carry over in tens place. Next we can multiply tens. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer 14 into 3 equal to 42. Next question, 26 into 10. First, ones, tens, leave the space for carryover. Ones place 6, tens place 2, into 10. So we can write 0, 1. So first, we can multiply the ones. So 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. So 10 6 are 60. 0 in ones place. 6 in tens place. 6 in tens place. After that 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. 10 twos are 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 20 plus 6, 26. So hundreds. So first we can start to multiply the ones. 10 6 are 60. 0 we can write ones place. 6 carry over in tens place. Then 10 twos are 20. 20 plus 6, 26. The product is 26 into 10 equal to 260.
Children, in this video we have revised multiplication tables, regrouping method and standard algorithm. Practice these sums in your notebook.
Thank you, children.